So, good day, sir. Good day, everyone. We are the Group Brothers, and today we will presenting our movie review about the movie Don't Look Up in 2021 under the subject Science, Technology, and Society, or STS. So, this movie is not just about a comet hitting the Earth, but it also shows how science, technology, media, and politics affect our decisions as a society. So let's begin. So first, let's talk about the brief summary of the movie. So Don't Look Up is a satirical science fiction movie directed by Adam McKay. So ang story kay nagsugod sa duha ka astronomers nga nakadiscovery og comet nga padung moigo sa Earth. So naturally ilang gi-report nga ang discovery because millions of lives are at risk. Pero instead nga seryosohon sa government ug sa media ilang warning, gi-ignore tungod sa politics, misinformation o mga personal interest. So instead of focusing on solving the problem, mas giuna pa ang popularity, money o entertainment. So mao ni ang main message sa movie that sometimes people ignore scientific facts even when the evidence is already clear.
So I am Harjan Mingito and I am about to tackle sa slide 3 which is ang main STS concept. Now, let's move on the main STS concept shown in the movie. First is science and society. Makita na to nga science should help guide important decisions, especially kung ang issue makaapekto sa tanan. Pero sa movie, wala kaayo gipaminaw ang mga scientist. Second is technology and communication. Social media and television played a huge role in spreading information. Unfortunately, dili tanan information sakto. So, misinformation spread quickly. Third is politics and science. Instead nga maminaw sa scientific evidence, some leaders prioritize politics and their own image. Lastly, corporate influence. Some companies wanted to use the comet for profit instead of protecting humanity. This shows how business interests can sometimes become more important than public safety. Next, let's discuss the scientific and technological issue presented in the movie. On the scientific side, the movie highlights comet detection through astronomy and the importance of evidence-based decision-making. Although the story is fictional, it also reflects real-world issues like climate change, where scientists continue to warn people about global risk. On the technological side, social media became a tool that spread both fact and fake news. Artificial intelligence and space technology were also shown as powerful innovation, but they can still be misused if people focus more on profit than on helping the society.
Now, let's proceed to the ethical dilemmas. This movie also represents several ethical dilemmas. For example, should leaders prioritize public safety or political success? Is it right to choose profit over human lives? Should the media report facts or focus on entertainment? Another important question is, what should scientists do if people refuse to believe scientific evidence? And finally, what responsibility do we have as ordinary citizens in checking if the information we share is true? These questions reminds us that technology alone cannot solve problems. Human values and ethical decisions are equally important. So now, let's talk about the effects of society and humanity. Moving into the effects of society and humanity, on the positive side, the movie encourages us to think critically, trust scientific research, and become more aware of misinformation. However, it also shows us negative effects such as political division, the spread of fake news, confusion among the public, and the loss of trust in experts. So, The movie reminds us that the way people respond to the information can generally affect the future of society.
So now let's connect the movie to the information age. So today, information can spread around the world in just a few seconds pinaagi sa internet o social media. But the problem is the fake news spreads just as fast as accurate information. So algorithm also influence what people see online. And sometimes viral content becomes more popular than scientific facts. So that's why the movie reminds us to become more responsible users of technology by verifying information before sharing it. So now we have here our group recommendations and insight based on our analysis. So our main insight is that science and technology should help humanity, not replace critical thinking. Our recommendations are simple but important. So first, trust scientific evidence. So the second one is verify information before sharing it. The third one is always think critically before making any decisions. And lastly, support responsible media that provides accurate and reliable information. So if everyone does these simple actions, we can reduce misinformation and make better decision as a society.
What lesson nga makuha nato sa movie? So, we learned several values lessons. First, always listen to science because scientific evidence is based on research and facts. Second, use technology responsibly. Third is be aware of misinformation and avoid sharing false information. Fourth is value honest and responsible leadership. And finally, remember that solving global challenges requires cooperation among governments, scientists, media, and ordinary citizens.
So to conclude, Don't Look Up teaches us that science and technology are powerful tools, but they are only effective if people are willing to listen, think critically, and work together. So as a student, we also have a responsibility to become a responsible users of technology and to make decisions based on facts rather than misinformations. So that ends our presentation, and thank you everyone for listening. Have a great day. Bye bye.